Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor but hard-working farmer with his wife. They owned a few animals and a small piece of land where they grew crops. Life was simple, and though they didn't have much, they were content with what they had. One morning, as the farmer went to check on his animals, he noticed something unusual. His goose, which he had raised from a little chick, had laid an egg. But this was no ordinary egg, it was made of solid gold. The farmer could not believe his eyes. He picked up the egg and ran to his wife. "Look at this, our goose has laid a golden egg," he exclaimed. His wife was just as surprised. "This must be a blessing. We should sell the egg and use the money wisely." The farmer took the golden egg to the market and sold it for a great price. With the money, he bought good food, new clothes, and even repaired their small house. The next day the goose laid another golden egg, and the day after that another. This continued every day, and soon the farmer and his wife were no longer poor. At first they were happy and thankful, but over time their happiness turned into greed. The farmer started to think, "Why should I wait for just one egg a day? There must be many golden eggs inside the goose. If I take them all at once, I will become rich instantly." He shared his idea with his wife, and she agreed yes. "If we get all the eggs now, we won't have to wait every day. We will be the richest people in the village." So, without thinking any further, they took a knife and cut open the goose's stomach. But, to their shock, there were no golden eggs inside, only blood and organs. The farmer and his wife stood in silence, realizing the terrible mistake they had made. Their beloved goose was gone, and with it, their source of golden eggs. The farmer fell to his knees and cried, "What have we done? Our greed has made us blind, and now we have lost everything." But it was too late. No matter how much they regretted their decision, they could not bring the goose back to life. From that day on, they lived in sadness and poverty once again, learning a painful lesson about patience and greed. Moral: think before you act. Greed can destroy even the greatest blessings.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.